Hello, amazing viewers. Today we are exploring a life of changing masterpiece, The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People by Stephen R. Covey. The book is not just a read, it's a journey of transformation. It's for everyone who dreams of unlocking their full potential and building a life purpose, success, and fulfillment. Let's dive in discover the habits that have inspired millions around the globe to live their best lives. Overview of the book. Imagine a guidebook that helps you not just to succeed but to thrive in every area of life, professionally, personally, and spiritually. That's what this book is about. Covey lays out a step-by-step framework rooted in timeless principles like fairness, integrity, and service that empowers you to align your daily actions with your deepest values. It's practical, profound, and incredibly inspiring. The structure of success. The book is beautifully structured into 3 key parts: private victory, public victory, and the renewal. If we talk about the private victory, means becoming the best version of yourself. Public victory means building powerful relationships. Renewal means constantly refreshing and evaluating your life. These aren't just habits, they are a blueprint for a meaningful, purpose-driven life. The 7 habits unrevealed. Let's uncover the 7 habits and their incredible power. The first one, be proactive. Take charge of your life. Proactivity is about realizing that you are not a product of circumstances. You are a creator of the possibilities. Covey's message here is simple yet powerful. You have the power to choose your response in any situation. Second one, begin with end in mind. Dream big. Design your life. This habit encourages us to visualize our ideal future and work background to make it reality. A clear sense of purpose transforms the way we are live each day. Third one, put first thing first. Live by prioritizes, not pressure. Covey's time management matrix teaches us to focus on what truly matters: our goals, relationships, and well-being. Habit 4, think win-win. The world is abundant and success is not zero-sum game. This habit is about creating solutions where everyone benefits, fostering trust and collaboration in every interaction. Habit 5, seek first to understand, then to be understood. Communication is the bridge to connection. By truly listening with empathy, we can build stronger relationships and resolve conflicts with grace. The 6th one, synergize. Teamwork makes the dream work. Synergy is about celebrations, differences, and combining strength to achieve extraordinary outcomes. Together, we are unstoppable. The 7th, sharpen the saw. Growth is a lifelong journey. Covey reminds us to nurture ourselves, mind, body, and heart, spirit, to keep growing stronger and more resilient every day. A message of empowerment. The beauty of the 7 habits is its message. You have the power to shape your destiny by embracing these habits. You can elevate every aspect of your life, from achieving your dreams to enriching your relationships. This book is a gift of wisdom, urging us to be intentional, courageous, and inspired every single day. So why should you read The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People? Because it's not just a book, it's a mentor in your hands. It helps you transform challenges into opportunities, build a life of purpose and impact, discover your inner strength and infinite potential. As we wrap up, I encourage you to take the first step towards becoming the best version of yourself. Start your journey with the 7 habits of highly effective people and let its wisdom guide you to success and happiness. Remember, the habits are simple, but their impact is extraordinary. Let's inspire each other to grow, to lead, and to thrive. Share this video with someone who could use a dose of motivation, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment on which habit resonates most with you. Stay positive, stay powerful, and keep shining. See you in the next video.